Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of July. We will see your person's energy towards you. What can you expect? Gemini's person's energy towards Gemini spirit. This is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. The people who are going to hear this message for Gemini spirit, given their person's energy towards them, please. This person is stalking you, Gemini. I have a Page of Swords here. And this person is stalking you in secret. If this person has sneaked away from your life, Gemini, or if this person has betrayed you, it could be related to money as well, if not relationship, then this person is stalking you and this person has his eye on you. This person feels you are very free and you are hiding something from them. You are very intuitive. That's how your person views you, Gemini, and you could be dealing with a Libra, or I have a Empress card here. That's how they view you. Like, you could be having Aries or Libra or Taurus in your chart, or it could be your person's energy, like could be an air sign as well. But I feel like this person feels like you are very free, you are very attractive, you are in your power, and you are very loving, you are very nurturing. At the same time, you are very carefree, and I also feel like you are not afraid to take a risk. That's how your person view you. I also feel that you are beginning something new. You are starting something new in your life, like you have some kind of new beginning in your life, and you are very much in your power. That's how your person views you, Gemini, and you are very reliable, you are very stable in your life right now. Maybe that's why they are stalking you, because you are very attractive to this person right now. This person is very confused when it comes to you, Gemini, and this person, if this person has walked away from your life, then this person is thinking, like, is daydreaming about you. Like, this person is really, how to say, like, imagining you with himself or herself. And I also feel, Gemini, that someone has walked away in the situation. It could be you, it could be this person, and now this person is very confused, like how to reach out to you. Maybe that's why this person is stalking you. Yes, this person is very restless over you, very restless energy, very, like, there's very confusion, because this person finds you very, very attractive. This person has passion for you, Gemini. For where some of you, I'm getting, could be a third party situation, but I strongly feel that this person is very, very attracted towards you, like physically. But this is your power, like this is your energy that is more sexy to this person. Yes, someone is acting very detached, and I feel this is you, Gemini. This person is making a wish to be with you, Gemini, but this person is giving up. Like, this person feels that wish cannot be fulfilled. I also feel, Gemini, someone could be married here. It could be you or your person. If you are not married, Gemini, then this person feels like you are very much in that energy, like you just want to focus on your money, like you are very much like you are acting very self-centered right now, like you just want to fix your finances right now, and you are very stable, like you are having a lot of money right now. I also feel someone could be stuck in a marriage here. So if this person is married, then this person is holding back, or you are holding back from this person, because someone is stuck in a commitment here. Could be work, could be relationship. This person loves you, Gemini. This person wants to start this again, and this person has passion for you. I also feel, Gemini, that this person want a forward movement with you, want a growth in this relationship, but could be a third party situation, or this person in a past has chosen something else. Could be their work, could be another person or a relationship, but now this person want you, this person want to start this again with you. If you were only an option for this person, then this person want you now, and something has ended here, something has changed. This person is willing to put effort on this relationship. That's what I'm getting here. This person wants to reveal something to you, Gemini. This person wants to speak the truth, and this person, I feel now, is reaching that point where this person is reliable. This person really, really want to start this again with you. This person has passion for you. This person wants to travel towards you if this is a long distance relationship. If this person has walked away because of, if this person is married and this person has walked away from you because this person has a wife or a child, and this person want to reach out to you, and this person wants to make things like cooperate with you, and this person want you to admire them. You have 3 aces, Gemini, in this reading. This is amazing. These are the feelings and intentions towards you. Okay, let's see what action will they take towards Gemini. Wow, something is going to end here, Gemini. Something is going to change. Wow. Lovers with the Hierophant card. These are the actions towards you, Gemini. This person is committed to choose you. This person is committed to love you. This person will offer you commitment, Gemini. This person will love you. This person will choose you. This person loves you. I also feel this person is determined to have you, to have this commitment with you. And if this person was already married, or if this person was already married or in some other commitment, Gemini, that is over. And this person wants a new beginning with you. Something has definitely ended here. If this person was like, has put you, if you were only an option for this person, if this person was indecisive, that is going to end now. This person knows that this person wants you, Gemini. Yes. And this person could be an Aries or Scorpio you are dealing with. And I also feel like, Gemini, that this person is very controlling, that this person has control over his emotions and actions, and this person wants to take action that is right for you, for this relationship, and for both of you. Give me one love card for Gemini, please, Spirit. Thank you. The Divine Masculine. See. This card is just like the Divine Feminine energy. So this is a pair here. You could be very spiritual, whoever, if you are feminine watching this, but I really feel like this person will take action now. And I saw the Emperor card in a deck. So yes, this person will take action now, and this is your card. Like, this is your vibe. That is very, like, you are very attractive at this point. Maybe you are just taking care of yourself. You do your meditation. You could be very spiritual, and this is your energy, that this person is very, very attractive. Like, this person is very attracted towards you, and I really feel collective, like, Gemini, that this is the reason this person will definitely reach out to you, and now this person knows what he wants from you and what is he willing to offer. Okay, Gemini, so this was your reading. I really hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.